intel on this op comes from our informant in Russia. The package is aboard a medium freighter, Estonian registration number 52775. There is a small crew and a security detail on board. Rules of engagement, sir. Crew expendable.
Faceplate, this is Hammer 2-4. We have visual on the target. ETA 60 seconds. Copy 2-4. 30 seconds, going dark. Seconds. Radio check. Go to secure channel.
Lock and load.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Weapons free.
Bridge secure.
Hold your fire. Guys, stay in the berg till we secure the deck. Over. Roger that. Squad, on me. Stairs, clear.
Эй, на здоровье, полковник! Вот!
Last call. Hallway, clear. Sweet dreams. Crew quarters clear. Move up.
Forward deck's clear. Green light on Alpha. Go. Ready, sir.
Man out. 3 meters spread. Got 2 on the platform. I see them. Weapons free. Roger that. Target neutralized. Tango down. We've got company. Hammer 2-4, we've got tangos on the second floor.
Copy. Engaging. Bravo 6, Hammer is at bingo fuel. We're bugging out. Big Bird will be on station for evac in 10.
Copy, Hammer. All cross, roofing, cover our 6. The rest of you, on me. Roger that. I like to keep this for close encounters.
Too right, mate.
On my mark, go. Check those corners. Check those corners. Clear right.
Clear left.
Hallway, clear. Move up.
Clear right.
Stairs, clear.
Movement right.
Tango down. Hallway, clear.
Clear left.
Check those corners.
Ready, sir.
Move up. Stand by. On my go.
Standing by.
Flashbang out. Go.
Catwalk clear. Got you covered. Move up.
Squad, on me.
No tangos inside.
Forward area clear. Move up. Keep it tight. 0 movement. Guys, right side. I'm on it.
Looks quiet. Stay frosty. Stack up. Ready, sir. Go. Clear left. Move! Movement right. Move up. Forward area clear. Move! Clear right. Clear left. Stack up. Stand by. On my go. One ready. Two ready. On my mark. Go! Tango down. Report. All clear? Roger that. I'm getting a strong reading, sir. You might want to take a look at this.
It's in Arabic. Faceplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it. Ready to secure package to transport.
No time, Bravo 6. Two bogies headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there.
Fast movers. Probably mixed. We better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! All right, everyone topside. Double time.